All right, so I wanted to do a follow-up to the Meross garage door opener. It's an app, but also does, like, you know, connect it to your Alexa. So you'd be like, Alexa, close the garage. And honestly, I don't know how we lived without this. This thing is just phenomenal on your life. So basically you can be inside. If you're like, oh crap, did I shut the garage? You can check on the app, let you know if it's open or closed. It even gives you a 15-minute like reminder. So if it stays open, it'll remind you, be like, hey, your garage is open. And then you can just shut it remotely from anywhere in the world that has Wi-Fi. It sits up nice and easily, and it's really easy to connect. All you have to do is just kind of run the wires and stuff like that. Like when I say run the wires, you're just literally running them from that part all the way down to like a sensor that you can put on there. So Alexa, open the garage. Just something me and my wife both enjoy, and we're like, how did we live without this? So if you are looking for an app or something like that to open and close your garage from inside or outside or wherever, I highly recommend this one right here. I love it. We've had this now for a year, and it's life-changing. So check it out, and thanks for watching.